What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Consumer Sherpa. Whether you love ice-cold water for drinking or popping hot water for making coffee, you will need the best water dispenser to make your preferred water available. We've rounded up some water dispensers with the best performance. More information is in the links in the description below. So, here are the top 5 picks for the best water dispensers. Avalon Bottom Loading Water Cooler Water Dispenser. This Avalon A4 water dispenser has an innovative design that makes it ideal for any home decor. But even kitchens and offices will benefit from the sleek design, making this water dispenser attractive. Also, what makes it stylish is its stainless steel cabinet. Also, this cabinet coated in BioGuard paint protects itself from bacterial growth. And this makes drinking water from this water dispenser safe. Aside from this feature, this water dispenser also features 3 temperatures. What's impressive is that each temperature has its own button for ease of usage. You can press the hot, cold, or room temperature buttons, allowing you to customize your drinking experience. At the same time, this water dispenser features night lights to light up the spouts at night. Additionally, it features an empty bottle light, letting you know if the water bottle needs refilling. You want to load the 3 to 5 gallon bottle through the bottom, since this is a bottom loading water dispenser. The bottom loading design is intentional and intelligent, I might add. First, it reduces lifting, which can be strenuous. Second, it reduces water spillage. So, if you want to load a water bottle with less effort, this is the best water dispenser for your drinking needs. Safety is another added benefit, and it comes certified to be child safe. Additionally, it is Energy Star approved, meaning it is energy efficient. However, the bottle doesn't come with this water dispenser, so you want to buy separately. But the pros of this water dispenser outweigh the cons, making it a water dispenser to think about when shopping. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom Loading Water Cooler. This Brio CLBL 520SC water dispenser is self-cleaning using ozone gas, allowing you to drink confidently, knowing your drinking water is contaminant-free. More specifically, the self-cleaning technology cleans the valves, removing hazardous contaminants from the valves. Aside from this technology, the water dispenser has 304 stainless steel material, giving it a sleek finish. This water dispenser is made of a high-quality material that makes it last a long time and have quality that can't be beat. Also, this water dispenser features button switches for hot, cold, and room temperature water for drinking. Depending on your preferred water temperature, you will flick the correct switch on or off. Therefore, this unit gives you complete control over the water temperature. The easy-to-load design also comes in handy to prevent accidental spills. But more importantly, it makes sure you use less effort to load this water dispenser with a bottle filled with drinking water. This unit even features a digital display to alert you to a bottle refill. This water dispenser will also stay mess-free since it features a removable drip tray. Even more, this drip tray is anti-rust and is easy to clean since it is removable. You can also fill your glass at night without spilling your drink because the night lights illuminate the spouts. Safety is a feature you also want to check, and it's good news that this unit has a child safety lock. This feature uses a 2-step dispensing command to prevent your curious child from spilling hot water, thus preventing accidents. Therefore, this is another great water dispenser for families with kids. Igloo Water Cooler Water Dispenser. Even though this Igloo IWCTL 352CHWH is a top-loading water cooler or water dispenser, it is still perfect for homes, kitchens, offices, and dorms. Usually the top-loading system requires more effort, but it allows you to easily track the water level in the 3 to 5 gallon bottle. Therefore, it has its benefits as well as its drawbacks. Another strong point of this water dispenser is its slim design, making it space-saving. If your home or office is low on space, you might consider this unit, since it is the best water dispenser for such homes or offices. While the first 2 water dispensers feature 3 water temperatures, this unit only features 2, hot and cold. But still, this gives you the option to choose between ice-cold water for drinking or hot water for tea or coffee. However, one major drawback is the lack of night lights. Most users appreciate night lights illuminating the spouts, but the featured drip tray makes sure you don't leave your water dispenser drenched. Also, this drip tray is removable for easy cleanup. Also, the safe and easy dispensing made possible by 2 push buttons makes this water dispenser easy to use. But the hot water spout features a child safety lock to prevent accidents. Therefore, this is a unit you want to buy, especially if you have kids. Even more, The white color finish blends with any home or office decor. Also, the freestanding design requires no installation, making this unit ready to use right out of the box. Therefore, these features make it yet another of the best water dispensers. So consider it another option. Primo hTRIO Water Dispenser. The Primo hTRIO Water Dispenser is an excellent choice for dispensing ice-cold water for drinking or piping hot water for making your preferred beverages. Most water dispensers use push buttons to dispense water, but this model uses paddle controls, which work similarly. The hot water paddle control even features a child-resistant safety latch to protect your children from accidental burns. Therefore, this is a child-safe water dispenser for any home. What's more incredible is that the spouts fill sports bottles in seconds, meaning you have plenty of time to drink and carry out the activities that matter most. More convenience comes from the bottom load design. This design removes lifting, thus conserving energy. At the same time, this bottom load system conceals the 5-gallon bottle for a decent look. The water reservoir, made from stainless steel, keeps water clean and has durability. On the other hand, a removable drip tray keeps your water dispenser mess-free. With this removable component, cleaning your water dispenser is hassle-free. Additionally, this water dispenser features a built-in tray for holding up to 20 K-Cup pods. What's more impressive is that this unit brews beverages in K-Cup pods of various sizes. However, it doesn't come with these K-Cup pods. But it is a water dispenser you want to consider, since it made it to the list of the best water dispensers. So consider adding it to your home or office. hOmeLabs Bottom Loading Water Dispenser. This particular hOmeLabs Bottom Loading Water Dispenser is also great for the home, kitchen, or office, since it has every feature required in these settings. First, it features a bottom loading design, making it convenient to use in any home, office, or kitchen. But first, you will open the cabinet made of stainless steel to load a 5-gallon bottle filled with water. Then you will connect this bottle to a pump. You can choose to get hot water up to 185 degrees Fahrenheit from this water dispenser after you fill it with water. At the same time, you could choose ice-cold water for drinking, with temperatures dropping to 49 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, you can choose to drink water set to room temperature. Therefore, this water dispenser allows you to choose between 3 water temperatures. The intuitive control panel features night lights, allowing you to fill your cup at night without hassle. Also, the control panel alerts you when the water level in the reservoir drops to a particular level. You will then replenish your bottle in time. The stainless steel cabinet adds a contemporary look to this water dispenser. As a result, the unit complements your home decor. Also, this unit features child lock safety, making it safe for use around children. But one issue that cuts across the board is the lack of the 5-gallon bottle. You will have to buy this bottle separately. Also, the limited warranty period is an issue for most users, but this unit impresses with a decent look and unrivaled performance. That makes it the final best water dispenser on this list. That's the end of the best water dispenser review. If you love beverages or you can't get enough ice-cold water for drinking, you will need the best water dispenser. Consider adding one to your room to make your lifestyle more convenient. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.